gonna introduce you one of the hottest products in our company, NG series rental LED display.
It adopts high-strength die-casting aluminum with professional design, fast lock, corner protection, power box, and curved lock. It can be curved from -10 degrees to 15 degrees. It is super light and thin. The thickness is 80 millimeters and the weight is a little bit different from its size. 500 x 500 cabinet is 7.5 kilograms and 14 kilograms for 500 x 1000 cabinet. It supports 90 degrees right angle LED display installation to meet some special buildings and applications. And it can achieve 3 installation ways: hanging, concave and convex, and stack installation. We provide 3-year warranty for LED modules with the certificates of CE, UL, FCC, Class A, RoHS, and etc.
Now let's see more details about this cabinet.
The size of LED module is 250 x 250 millimeters. Now let's open the power box and see what it looks like inside. You can see the power box have one piece 200 watts power supply, one hub card, and one receiving card. Front and rear service for indoor and rear service for outdoor. Lincoln LED NG series rental LED display is a dual maintenance product, not only 100% front accessible but also can do rear service. The LED panels are magnetic and it can be removed by tools from the front side in 5 seconds. Easy and convenient, save your cost and labor. Now it's time for the maintenance of NG series.